Quick little video how to lace your Alexander Mcqueens. People always have a hard time lacing them. I know I did. But over the years, I got used to it. Then I'm doing every day. Alexander Mcqueen, they not typically laced like your regular Jordan Air Force One. Actually, really simple, easy. Lacing laces. How hard could it be? When you do the Alexander McQueens, you want to put it, it got to go cross. Cross. If this is your left shoe, start out with the opposite side of the corner, go through the middle, put it through the hole at the top. It should cross. It should cross. Make sure you have a little gap space, leave that right there. Then you put it through the hole. Make sure you straighten it out as it goes. Make sure you straighten it out as it goes. You only need to put it through the middle hole once. You don't have to go through it again. But straighten out as you go. Easy, simple. When I get to the top, I might be a little uneven, but you can straighten it out easy. Show you that part, just in case it is a little uneven. Cause then there's no way you can know. I just know you need to leave a little gap in between. That's how you lace some McQueens, y'all. Simple, simple. It's a little uneven. If you need to straighten it out, just pull it backwards, pull it backwards, pull it backwards. Make sure you straighten it out, though. I'm going backwards as you go. As you go. Make sure you pull. Now you got it straight. And you lace them up. Make sure you even that out. Even. Even. Now you ready to go. Lace them up. Easy. That's how you do some McQueens. Did this one already. Did this one. Very simple.